Hello everyone, good evening, welcome back to the channel. Let's now analyze and get some levels for tomorrow. And today I'm doing one experiment. I was making separate videos, so today I'm trying to combine all the charts that I do give the levels for the US100, the NAS100, the US30, USDCHF, USDJPY, USDCHF, okay, and all the four currency pairs and the two indices. I'll be giving all combined in this video. Okay, so let us start discussing. I just want to see the response what I'm getting in the compiled video and compared to the separate videos that I post. Okay, so let's start with the NAS100. All right, so let us see for tomorrow. The levels will be, we are seeing support at the level of 12055. okay, it will be intact, the same. The buying target will be, and also we can take the support level as 12207 also. Okay, because we are approaching there, so 12207 can also be taken as the level. Let me just edit it. 12207. Okay, so 12207 will be the level of our support for tomorrow. Okay, if we are going above that, the first target will be 12269, the second target will be 12313, the third target will be 12331. I'll show in the smaller time frame also how I have done that analysis. Let me just read it out the targets for you and the levels for confirmation. Okay, so the fourth target going long will be 12369. All right, below 12030 we'll take a bearish position. The first target will be 11990, the second target will be 11945, third target will be 11876, and the fourth target will be 11736. All right, now let us see in the smaller time frame. We have got some good moves today. Okay, we just got a good move from the 119, this level 11944, 11945 level. We have got a good bounce from there. All right, and see, it is a falling pattern, falling channel. Okay, so this is a resistance level, can also be converted into a support level also if we had a closing above this for today's trading session. All right, let us move to an even smaller time frame. See, okay, the neckline is here, so you can take a screenshot of these levels. Okay, so that you can have an inference and also to follow the analysis and all the levels that are discussed, the technical patterns and everything. Okay, let us move to the second one, the US30. Okay, so level for the US30 are, the support level is at 31387. all right, 31387 will act as the support level right now. 31387, this is here. Okay, it is a swing value, will act as a swing. It can come to retest and then again it can take a bounce. We'll go long above the level of 31530. Our targets being, the first one 31555, the second target 31577, the third target 31613, and the fourth target 31646. all right, we'll take a bearish position if we are breaching the level of 31387. The shorting targets will be 31267, the first target, followed by 31216, followed by 31113, followed by 30940, followed by 30828. 30828 is the support level also. Okay, 30828 is the support level. Alright, so let us see in the smaller time frame also. Today we got some good bounce. Okay, at the historical trend line we couldn't go to the support level. Okay, we couldn't reach to the support level. I was saying to watch out these swing levels because it can accumulate some volume and take a pullback, and it did the same thing. All right, I'm telling again and again, do follow the technical levels, do see the price action, do see the volume analysis, the RSI, and all the remaining 5 things which I won't be telling now. It's a homework I've told a lot many times. What are the confirmation tactics that I use for getting into the confirmation of a directional trade? Alright. See, this is the swing level where it is getting rejections right now, 31453.7, this level. Okay. Now let us move to the third one, the currency pair Euro USD. Okay, so it is giving some bullish moves now. It has got some bullish moves. So our support is at 0.99792, and below the level of 0.99602 we'll be shorting it. All right, The targets will be approaching for going long, for taking a buy trade in this, will be above the level of 99,911. The first target being 1.00029, second target being 1.00113, third target being 1.00223, followed by the last target for tomorrow's session will be 1.00333. Okay, the shorting targets will be below the level of 0.99602 will be the first target 0.99521, followed by 0.99441, followed by 0.99355, and followed by 0.99302, and the final target will be 0.99197, which if touched it can take a serious bounce back. Okay, so be cautious and use trailing stop loss also. Okay, now let us see the same pair Euro USD in the smaller time frame. See how so beautifully this is a trend line coming here, and it has given the breakout. We need to watch out. Our targets can be obtained at the support level. Okay, 1.014 in a short time. So just play level to level. Take a screenshot. All right. See, the neckline is broken already. This is a trend line. Neckline is broken already. It is given a breakout. It can take a pullback to retest also. In tomorrow's video, I'll draw the trend line and show you what is the pattern I'm talking about. If you can see it, just draw it in your chart and follow the trend. Okay. See how it's a beautiful pullback. Let's move on to the next one. USDJPY already discussed a good rally. Okay, we have some good support levels. Support level now is at 142.599, and below the level of 142.599 with a confirmation we can go for a short trade as well. The level for shorting will be 141.570, followed by 141.094, followed by 140.799, and the last target being 140.685. Okay, and if we have to go long, then we have to break the high which is it has made. It is following the Fibonacci retracement. So once it is giving closing above the level of 144.950, our short term target is sharp the level of 153.945. Okay, that is why I have written STT, short term target. All right, just note it down. This is going to help a lot. Okay, in a smaller time frame, very good rally, historical trend line rejection, trend line broken, and then a good rally. All right. See, okay, these are the levels that discussed. I marked those. You can take a screenshot. Okay, so this is the beauty of technical analysis, and this is the importance why one should learn technical analysis before doing trades in the market, because it is not gambling, it is pure education. All right, let's move to the next guy, and the last for tomorrow. Okay, there is a zone here. So in USDCHF, support is entire at 0.97596, and below the level of 0.97523 we'll be shorting it. 0.97523 is the lower exit of this zone. Okay, so for the targets for shorting in this pair will be, in shorting in the pair of USDCHF will be the first target will be 0.97461, followed by 0.97376, followed by 0.97255, and the last target 0.97205. Okay, 0.97205 is the support level also, so we need to watch out. Okay, if we are getting a closing below the level of 0.97205, then it can even go for a bearish short selling and can come to test this trend line. Okay, so if you have to go for the long trades, we have to wait for a closing above the level of 0.97899. Then our targets will be, the first target will be 0.97904, followed by 0.97899, followed by 0.97904, followed by 0.97955. Okay, and we can get a spike till the level of 0.97983 because it is the resistance level also, so we can get a spike, we can test this level. Okay, let us see in a small time frame. See, this is a zone, it is getting a rejection, historical zone, it is getting rejections from, but yes, once it will be broken, it will be a great breakout. I'll show the zone drawn in the next video, in tomorrow's performance video. Okay, see, all the levels to pull back from this, we entered here, from the future we entered here, and then we got a good move. It is like head and shoulder pattern, like line got broken. Okay, so it has to come and test this trend line again, the historical trend line. Okay, the 17 trend line. it will come and test that. Okay, and then it will involve some consolidation, and then with the confirmation we'll take the directional trade. If it is a pullback, we go for long. If it is a closing below the level, then we'll go for a shorting in this pair. All right, but yes, we follow the technical analysis and the levels that I have given and the price action also. Okay, so these are the levels and the analysis. Then for the two indices and the four currency pairs that we are trading, I'm going to make this total. Right now there are six charts that I'm discussing. From the next week it will be a total 19. I'll be including EPOL, US oil and the cryptocurrencies too. Okay, so that's all for today. We'll meet in the next video in tomorrow, in which we'll be discussing how these levels got respected by the market, how the technical levels got respected by the market, and how so we got confirmation and entered the directional trades. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. And yes, stop loss is important. Okay.